Hello friends. So I'm today. Tayo papalay sa inyo today in episode 4 of our construction one-on-one series. We'll be showing you how the formwork for columns is prepared and how the concreting process is carried out. Specifically, we've brought you a short video explaining how concreting is done for columns above the ground floor. Initially, lapping is performed on our Hisarai column. Specifically for the 60 die, we do vertical lapping this way. When lapping, it must be joggled to complete the process. We provide the stirrups exactly as shown in the drawing. For this, 4 stirrups are provided. Now, for its centering, we first do the layout. After laying it out according to the drawing, we then provide the stem board. The primary purpose of the stem board is to stabilize whatever is being centered and to hold it firmly in a single specific position. For column formwork, plywood and battens are equally important. We've used 21mm film face plywood and it's supported by battens. This is a 2x3 batten, this is a 2x2, and this one on the edge is another 2x3 batten. After raising our plywood boards like this on all 4 sides, there's a common saying. So to let the material flow, to be for them upon Jesus and with this, we tie these boards securely. Then by using props and pipes, we provide vertical stability. Simultaneously, we check its squareness, ensuring that the erection's length angle is perfectly 90 degrees. Since this particular slab of ours is situated 1 floor above ground level, and bringing the concrete mixer up here proves to be quite a challenge, given the circumstance that not everyone has access to a mixer with a lifting mechanism. This specific mixing operation we're performing follows our 1:1:2 ratio, an M25 mix, specifically for filler material. We take this down to the mixer we have placed below, and there a dry mix is prepared. Our workers are now carrying this dry mixture up to the top. This dry mix by adding the appropriate amount of water according to the ratio. In that manner, ready mix concrete is prepared for pouring into columns. You might have also prepared concrete on your own site by dry mixing it down below, carrying it up, and then mixing it with water. Its mixing ratio and proportion are also very good, and it makes quite a significant difference in the work. Another very important thing for concreting is the vibrator. We are currently featuring the electric vibrator. Electric, diesel, and petrol vibrators are all available in the market. Since electric vibrators are easy to operate and can be handled properly by everyone, we use them on site. Their main function is to increase the density of the concrete. For instance, by applying just one vibration, it removes the air bubbles that are present, and in doing so, it works to increase the strength of the concrete. After the centering work for a column is finished and the concrete casting is complete, we wait a minimum of 8 to 24 hours. Then after removing the formwork, the pillar appears like this. You can observe its excellent finishing. You can clearly see the precise finishing along its edges. You will find that you have a perfectly formed column right here on site. For more informative videos like this related to building construction, please subscribe to our channel and share our video with as many people as possible. Thank you.